What's good, family? I just wanted to bring in update y'all. We hit our 100 mark. We finished tier 1. Tier 1 is completed. So now we're working on tier 2. If you haven't seen the tiers, join the Discord. It's free. There's a section you'll get up to date. You'll get updates. There'll be like some free live sessions every month, and you'll have the opportunity to copy my trades. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you my Jordan strategy. This is the strategy that I came up with on my own after adding and picking from everything that I've learned, all the knowledge that I learned. One day I was in my mentor's live, and he had talked about a lot of people focus on the things that they're doing wrong and try to fix them and not focus on the things that they're doing right. And it clicked with me. I knew what I was doing, but I was trying to continue to learn so much, and I wasn't just focusing on what I knew and literally perfecting what I knew that was working for me. So I took the knowledge that I knew, really focused in, I honed in, I locked in, I dove in deep, and I was really able to become profitable with it. A lot of people will show you these little 5-second strategies or 15-second strategies, and it's really them. It's really just a more of a luck. You really just gambling at this point. So I had planned, I had rules, but when you do quick trades like this in high frequency, you can lose money quickly, and your emotions can be gone in an instant. You have to have lots of control. And I would have lots of control all the way up to 2-3 weeks, and then one day. It take one day and gone. Emotions out the fucking window. Everything that I've been focusing on the whole 2-3 weeks gone. Felt like I didn't know anything anymore. Felt like I was like, damn, this just gotta be luck. And it wasn't. It's me over trading. It's me not having discipline. It's me chasing my trades, revenge trading, trying to double up when I take a loss, and a bunch of bullshit. But I wanted to show you a trade real quick, break it down. This is a journal entry that I record pretty much all my trading. So this is a journal entry from one of my past trades of my Jordan strategy. I'm gonna explain how I took the trade, why I took the trade, and then I'll go in on the charts and actually break it down a little bit. Because right now I haven't done any live trading yet, because that's going to be in the community. So if you join the community and you join the paid version of the community, you're going to see the lives, you're going to see the trades that you're copying, you're going to actually see them getting placed. You're going to be able to have classes every week. We're doing a mental build where we do a psychology build every Monday. So I really want to help you get profitable. I really want to help you take the knowledge that you have, perfect it for you, take what I know, help you take from that and perfect for yourself your strategy, your plan, your rules, and your goals to become profitable, and what you're going to do with that profitability when it comes to that point. Because a lot of traders, all you see is them talk about let's get you make profits, let's make profits, and then you got some people that do start making profits when they're still focused on the people that ain't making profits. So you don't know what to do with your profits. So you're gonna get to see the journey of what I'm trying to do with my profits. You're gonna see the journey of somebody working a full-time job and substituting his job for the community. That's the goal of this community, is to take my full-time job and substitute it with this community, because I have a passion for this community. I ain't gonna lie. This is what really helped me become successful and profitable, was doing lives and getting feedback from people and helping them where they need help and getting new ideas to help more people. And it's the goal is to build a family, a place that you can come and get the support when you're trading and you're going through that journey that you're gonna go through. Remember, we're all on the same journey, and we're all trying to get to the same destination, but each and every single one of us have a different path. So when I'm talking to this camera, it's thousands of people watching this. So all you have your own different path. you're all on the same journey that I'm on. Y'all want to become full-time traders. Y'all want to be profitable. Y'all want to be able to travel the world. Y'all want to be able to do things with your money. You really want to see the profits that you see all these people make. I've been able to do it. I've been able to lose it. I've been able to get it back. I've been able to continue to do it consistently on a profitable basis. So the goal is to help show you how to get from making profits, losing profits, or not even making profits to making profits, and just a place that you could come and get answers from people that are actually trading, that are actually really making money in this niche that we're in this journey that we're on. So that's why it's important to have a community. And the community, you join in the community, the paid version, all the courses that I drop, that if you don't want to join the community, you'll have an ability to buy like an in-depth version. Like everything will have a free version on YouTube, and then you'll have the in-depth version that you could purchase that'll have PDFs. It'll give you slideshows, walk you through everything. It'll pretty much be me explaining everything, walking you through it. And when you add into the community, you get that for free, and you get classes, because when I drop the next course that I'm going to drop, which is going to be way more in depth on my strategy, way more mental building, and how to manage your risk, and how to actually take profits and withdraw, and how to utilize them profits in other places to expand your money. That's the whole goal of this. The goal is to take that little bit of money that you have to trade and expand it to where you can make an extension, to where you can make an extent, I can't get it out, a substantial amount of money with that. That's the goal. But the goal isn't to flip the account quickly. Goal is to grow the account slowly. We're not here trying to blow the account, we're trying to grow the account, okay? So that's what I really wanted to break down. Like I said, stay tuned to the end, learn how you can copy the trades, get in the community. The live trading starts January 30th. So we're going to be trading live twice a week. We'll be doing study breakdowns every Saturday. Those start this Saturday. And we're doing Mental Mondays, which is a psychology. We'll be going over audiobooks. Like, we'll listen to audiobooks together. We'll listen to podcasts together. We'll get some notes. We'll have some people come in there and talk. It's a growing community. So I want to be able to help you grow and get to that next level. And psychology is really a key part of it. Not only is it knowing the markets and understanding the markets as well, but it's psychology, discipline, knowing yourself, accountability. You know the pillars that you need to get in order to really see the profitability. So that's the goal, is to get you to that point. So with that being said, I don't want to hold you any longer because I've held you for long enough. I appreciate you. I thank you for watching the video. Keep leaving feedback. Keep leaving comments below. Let me know if you got any problems or anything that you want me to drop a video on, any ideas. I'm going to be dropping another psychology video because I seen that y'all like that in the poll that I did in the community. But with that being said, let's get into the video, and then if you wanted to learn about the copy trading, I'll see you at the end. I appreciate you. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. We out. All right, family. Let's break it down real quick. Let me pull it up here real quick. So this is my journal entry. You see, obviously, I am screen recording myself. There is no audio for this for some reason. I don't know why I didn't record the audio. I probably had it muted because on my microphone at my computer, I have a button on top that I can just press to mute, and sometimes I accidentally hit it when I'm recording, or I'm not the best. Sometimes I just make errors, okay? All right, so this obviously real account. This is the journal entry. I don't really, we're gonna break it down. Let me get my pen. Let me get my pen out real quick so I can draw this up, because when you see me trade this, you're gonna understand, like, oh, he didn't even mark on the chart. No, because when you're trading this, when I'm taking this trades, I've had 2-3 years of experience at this point. I understand how to trade one chart. Like, I know how to trade one chart. You're gonna see me flip from one chart to another chart, but it's not like how I did in the other strategy, but it's very similar. All I'm doing, that strategy, I broke it down for you to visualize. This is me already understanding. Like, I already understand that I don't need to break it down for myself. I'm trading myself. This is me trading on my own. So I don't like when I'm trading, I like to focus on trading. You're gonna see that I'm focused. The only time I think I might get on my phone when I actually take the trade, I'm really not for sure. I don't remember, but it was just a trade that I was like, oh, I definitely want to show you this, and then we'll actually go in the charts, and I'll pull you up. I'll pull you up a chart, and we'll go over a trade real quick on the demo so I can show you it, because I don't have anything loaded in my account yet because I'm waiting to do the live trading with the community. So, and I'm making a whole new account so then I can get everybody on there to copy trade, because when I went to go do it with my friends, it was just things weren't working out. So I was like, all right, let me just make a new one. So, and I haven't got into that yet because the community you guys are enjoying the content. So I appreciate it. Thank you. So let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and play this real quick, and I'm gonna break it down as it goes. I'm gonna pause it, and I'm gonna break it down as it goes. So we're gonna go like kind of like a play by play. So right here, I'm kind of deciding where I'm gonna what I'm wanting to look at and trade. As you can see, I'm on the 30-second chart, and I'm taking a 23-second trade, and my percent is a 7.77%. Don't ask me why. I'm just one of the type of people that one day somebody was like, oh, traders are superstition, and I was like, nah, not me. And then I looked up, and I was trading like 13.33%. So I've always stuck to the I've always stuck to having it common numbers. I don't do 6.666. I don't do that shit. So bad number. So you're gonna see, I don't think I take the trade on Amazon. I think I trade it. Yeah, Facebook is where I take the trade. Okay, so all right, you're gonna see now. If you look at this pattern, This is pretty much all this is a continuation pattern. You got that push. So right here, I can't scroll to the left, or I'd scroll to the left. This is your consolidation. Okay, we got the pullback to collect liquidity. Okay, you're thinking this is manipulation right now. So now we're going to get the push to the upside. Okay, you get that push to the upside, but all it's doing here is consolidating. So what's it doing? It's collecting liquidity. Now we got another push down. Okay, we got a double bottom. We're coming to this double bottom. You're probably taking this trade up. Here we go. Now we got this top collecting all this liquidity that's sitting here, pushing it down. And now it's going to push it down. Sellers are going to take control. Now we're in a downtrend. Look at this push, breaking all this structure over here, breaking this major zone right here. Because on like the 1 minute, this is a major zone. On the 30-second, this is an area of, I don't know why I don't got the pin. But right here, you got this point, this, all this. This is a major zone on the higher time frame. I know this because even though I'm on the lower time frame, every time prices came here, it has reacted. Even when it broke, it reacted. Look, we got a reaction there, a reaction there. So every time prices came here, it's reacted. So I know on the higher time frame, this is a major zone. That's how I am viewing that. This is, you won't see, like right now, you see I'm on the 30-second. I'm going to change to one chart to double check that I'm at a major zone, and I'm just trying to collect the small continuation that's going to happen. I'm going to explain it right here, okay? So, I gotta go back here. I like this. So you're gonna see me take it right here. Look, okay. So now we're switching. Boom. All right. So now this is exactly what I see. If you've traded for a while and you understand price action, understand that I'm only taking a 23-second trade. I'm not trying to catch, like if you're a scalper, this is like a scalper that's trying to catch 10 pips. I'm just trying to catch that little move. Okay? That's all I'm trying to catch. And if you see what I tell you before, over here we were on a major zone. Right here was a major zone. That major zone right there. There's that touch. That's that 2 touches. And then you got that breakthrough and that pullback right there. Okay? And that's on the 30-second zone, or on the 30-second chart. This is the 5 minute. So Understand, that's how I read when I'm trading. Like when I'm trading the Jordan strategy, I can read off of just the 30-second chart. I can read literally the higher time frame chart off of the 30-second chart, just off of knowledge that I've gained over the years of understanding how price moves, because I've always went from multiple time frames to lower time frames, and eventually I started understanding, okay, I'm taking a 23-second trade. I have very minimal time to execute this trade. And if there's any room, if there's any error, it's game over. And with this, you're going to have errors. So I really wanted to refrain from posting this, but it's no different than the strategy that I posted. It's just a 23-second trade. And the reason I don't post it is because I'm not marking the chart up. You know, I'm not marking the chart up. There's nothing on the chart. You don't even see my EMA. I don't have an EMA when I trade the 30-second. So, or when I trade a 23-second trade. So there's no point in showing you this, because a lot of you are going to take this and gamble, just like when they show you them 5-second trades or the 15-second trades or the 30-second trades or all that shit, because you're not going to do it right. I'm going to show you the rules and everything that I have planned for this. Like, I'm going to go up there and take a picture real quick and then bring them down and write them for you. But you got to understand, this is something that you can lose your emotions like that. You can make money quick. You can lose it so much quicker. I promise you. I promise you. You have to have discipline. But it's no different. And it comes with a lot of understanding the candles. But let's move on. So you understand, you see what I'm doing. All I'm doing is trying to take this where price is. I'm trying to take it down here to these lows right here. You see them lows? That's where I'm trying to take it. Not the whole structure. Them wicks, the bottom of them wicks are the lows. I know price is more than likely going to pull to this area, and then it's going to give me that pullback. Well, probably not that high. It's going to probably give me a pullback like this to retest this structure. But I'm seeing in the future. I'm looking in the future. I'm seeing what price is wanting to do. So I don't know if it's going to do that, and I don't care if it does that. All I know is I want price to come down here. I have enough room for price to reach that zone down there, because I'm taking a 30-second trade. Well, a 23-second trade. So you'll see, I'll go right over here to the 30-second chart, and I will instantly click the trade, because the candle had already closed. The momentum, I've noticed this, when price is gonna push, the momentum of this second candle, this second candle and this third candle, this second candle is gonna be more of a pullback and then a push. And this third candle, this candle where we took the trade, is going to be more of if it's going to continue down to that zone on the 30-second candle, it's going to be more of a small little hesitation. It's not even going to pull back. It's going to open, it's going to give you a small hesitation, and then it's going to go. Okay? It's not going to really give you much of a pullback. If you get a pullback here on this third candle, normally the second candle is what pulls back, because you'll get this area, you'll get this nice move right here from this candle, and you'll be like, oh, okay, this is definitely going. Well, yeah, it broke the level line, but the body didn't close, and so now it's like, okay, you got your level line here, the body didn't close though, it's just a wick. So now if this candle opens, yeah, it could shoot down, get you down here, and then give you a pullback and take you back up and then drop. So that's why I always try to wait for this third candle, and I always want to make sure momentum in the first 10 seconds is on my side. Normally I try to take the trade within the first 5 seconds after the close, because anywhere, if you're taking a trade on a 30-second, like on the 30-second chart, you can't take a trade when it's fucking 15 seconds left. You're going to get left, or you're going to get wicked. You're going to get wicked out. Like, it's going to come back on you. Like, it's going to come back against you and you're gonna lose the trade, and then you're gonna be mad and be like, oh, PO's trash, this, that, this, that. Yeah, well, you wouldn't be saying that if you got wicked in the trade, because I could show you plenty of times that I got wicked in, and that's literally right after. That's literally before I ever get wicked out. Like, and I would hit 3, 4 trades in a row, and I'd still get wicked in. So it's like, okay, oh, the market's against me. Yeah, you only say that when you lose. You don't say that when you're getting wicked in the trade or you barely win the trade. Like, come on now, you use your brain. Some of you don't like. I feel like a lot of people don't use reality when they trade. They just kind of like, I don't know. I really don't know. But you're gonna see the trade take. As you can see, I'm focused. I'm just watching the trade. I think my dog's down here. I'm petting my dog, get my drink, and you look at price. I want you to pay attention to price. Let me go back. Let me give you a 10-second pullback. Okay. So remember, we've taken the trade. All right. Look at price. Pay attention to price and how price is moving. It's giving you that push. Why does it keep doing that? It's giving you a nice push, right? No pullback. We got 5 seconds left. That's the type of move that we want. When you're taking these trades, this is the move that you want. That fourth candle, that final candle, should be a strict push down. It should break the low that it made, and we take that trade. Or we cleared that win. When you took the wrong trade is when the trade is against you, like it's fighting you. Like you don't know if you're going to win the trade or not. Like that's when you took the wrong trade. You need to reanalyze your journal, figure out what you did wrong, and do better. Now, I don't take 23-second trades anymore. A, because it causes my emotions to go too crazy. B, because you can't copy 30-second trades. They have to be longer than a minute, I'm pretty sure. But I don't trade because I don't trade 23-second trades anymore as much. Okay, I can't say that I don't trade them anymore because I do. I enjoy trading them. It's what I've always seen, but it's no different than me trading a 1-minute or a 5-minute trade. The difference is I don't need to go down all the way down to the 30-second when I take the trade. I can stay at the 1 minute and I can find a good trade there. A good thing that I utilize is I pretty much take the same style of, like, I look for the same style of entry, but I focus on a longer trade, more or less. That's what I'm focusing on, because when you focus on longer trades, you have time for price to breathe. You want price to breathe, so then if it does have to pull back a little bit, you have time. When you take a 23-second trade or a 15-second trade or a 5-second trade, you got to be on point. You got to be on point. A lot of you probably are barely on point. I'm just being honest with you. Like just be honest with yourself. A lot of you are barely on point. You have to be on point when it comes to taking short trades, quick trades like that. As you can see, when I took these trades, I didn't mark my chart. I'm trading the same in my head, but me not marking the charts has some pros and has a lot of cons. Okay, the pros is my entry I'm not going to more than likely hesitate. My entry is going to be as good of an entry as I could get because I'm going to be focused solely on taking the entry. Where's the best entry? Where's the best entry? Where's my best entry? I'm looking for this move. I'm looking for this move. I need this confluence. I need this confluence. Versus the cons is you're not being patient. You're going to lose your patience because you're barely going to have any patience when it comes to a 23-second trade. Because there's trades and entries happening all over the place, especially on the lower time frames. But you have to take the best entry. You can't just take an entry because it's a double bottom. That's not a good entry. That's not a good entry at all. I'm just being honest with you. So you have to understand taking a good entry is a very, very important thing when it comes to taking these quick trades. So let's go over here to the charts real quick. See if I can't not get you a nice little trade real quick. So, like I said, I'm not gonna mark the charts. This is exactly how I would trade the chart. I'm gonna explain it as I go. And then, yeah, you can utilize it as you prefer. I'll leave the rules and the plans. Obviously, let's go ahead and put the rules and the plans right here on the chart. So go ahead and screenshot them. These are the rules and the plans that, like, well, these are the rules in my plan that I would have set up when I would trade this strategy. So super simple, super easy. Like I said, trading is not complicated, but a lot of people want to add fluff to it because it helps them seem like they really know what they're talking about. Okay, so what I see here on the 5 minute, this is how I do it. I see the 5 minutes pushing. I know that I'm at this major zone. I like how that's looking. I like the 1 minute, okay? Ooh, this is looking juicy, looking juicy. So what I'm looking for now, I want to see a pullback and then a push. But if I can get a break of this line, this level line here, this is where I want to see the body break. I'll take that down. But the body has to break this. See how it's broke this? That's cool. I don't believe in it enough because I feel like it's gonna reach this area. Ooh, that was a good trade. I ain't gonna lie. I definitely missed that trade. I'm not gonna take that trade because I definitely missed it. I was talking as I was explaining it, but I don't like this is to me this is not my level line. It's the most last recent push, but price needs to break this in order for me to believe that it's going to actually crash into this zone. As you see, price did. If we would have took it right when I said, we probably would have won it. But I was explaining it, and obviously it didn't work out. But I like how price is moving. I want to see a pullback real quick. I want to see a pullback into this area, and then I will take price back down. Let's see what the 15-second look like. Okay. All right, 15 seconds looking way better. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for that 15-second to give us a move up here. Like I said, I'm trying to explain it to you as we go, but I don't want to miss the trade. So I want to see price come back into this area. It don't have to. It can break this level line down here. Let me just put a horizontal line. Yep, once price breaks this zone, gives me a nice little body close, I'll take it. But we could hit a double bottom here. So this is an off trade, a decent trade. It's sketchy because you're at this zone, so I don't like that. I don't like that close. I don't like it. I 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 like it a lot. I like it a lot. So why did I take it? Because if price is being very hesitant, obviously, and it's at this zone. So if you've seen price, it was pushing, it was trying to pull back, but it wasn't giving you that full pullback. It was telling in my head what price is telling me it wants to at least collect some of this liquidity sitting down here. What did price do? Went down there, collected some of the liquidity. Now look at it. Price is going to probably give you a pullback into this area up here, and then it's going to give you a push back down. Or it could just continue back down and reach this zone down here. So that's literally as simple as it gets. I mean, you see how quick I caught the trade. Um, I explained it as quick as I could. Hell, I could have caught two trades, but I was trying to explain the other one as it was going. But this is very dangerous when you're trading this. Let me remind you, this is very dangerous when you are trading this. It is no different than the strategy that I have already posted on my YouTube. It's just a quicker version. It's if you want to catch quick trades. Like when I seen all these people posting these 5 seconds and 15 seconds and all these I attempted it once. Didn't like it. I was like, nah, I'm not trying to do what everybody else is doing. Let me do what works for me. What's my favorite number? 3. Can't do 3 seconds. I did 13 seconds for a little bit. It wasn't long enough. I would always lose a little bit. I would journal. I journaled everything bro, I lost so many trades for years. For years. Journaled for years. And then I would eventually go back, review what I'm doing right. Oh, let me add a couple seconds because I'm only losing the trade off by a little. So then I attempted to do 30 seconds and I was like, I'm losing this trade after 25 seconds. Like I'm winning the trade all the way up to 25 seconds. So let me just somehow I ended up at 23 seconds because I love the number three, and I was like, all right, 23 seconds, Jordan, and I've never even named the strategy, to be honest with you. I named it the Jordan strategy just off of when I was in my mentors community and I was helping with that community. One of my friends was like, or I'm pretty sure he was like, I was explaining the strategy, and he was like, "Oh, well, I was explaining the strategy, and somebody was like, why 23 seconds? Because of Michael Jordan?" And I was like, in my head, like, no, but now that you say it, yeah, I'm gonna call it the Jordan strategy. So yeah, we gonna call this the Jordan strategy. Again, like I said, this is a very dangerous way to trade because you will lose your emotions very quickly. But if you have good discipline, you can read the charts, you understand how I trade. All you gotta do is understand the price movement on the lower time frame and be able to read the charts with one time frame. You be Gucci. You be golden. You gotta be able to filter the charts quickly, but you gotta be very patient. You gotta only take the best of the best trades. The best of the best trades. You've seen that I could have caught two trades in a matter of literally like 2 minutes, but you're gonna see that often. But that doesn't mean you want to take every single trade. If you do, you're going to fail. You're going to blow your account. I can promise you. Let me talk about the copy trading. So with the copy trading, y'all want to copy trade. Uh, if you actually come join the community, you'll get the announcement of the copy trading. So come join the community and you'll actually get an announcement. Right here, I have all the announcements. I'm gonna be talking about the announcements coming up tomorrow. I'm gonna be releasing the announcements, and you just gotta sign up through my Pocket Options affiliate. Which anybody that signs up with the Pocket Options affiliate, and you just gotta sign up with the Pocket Options affiliate. You gotta send your UID to the Discord help. Send your UID to Discord help so then I can make sure that you signed up through Pocket Options. You have to deposit money, and I would suggest depositing no less than $250 because I'm gonna be trading with $400 and a 50% bonus. So I'm gonna be trading at like $700. And if your account is any lower, way lower than that, it's just going to be very detrimental to your trading. So you have to be very smart about it. And if you're going to copy trade, you need to be signed up and in the Discord and linked to my affiliate. Everything needs to be done by the 30th because before we do any of the live trading, I'm going to do a live session the day before, and we're going to go over the copy trading, how the copy trading is going to work. We're gonna talk about how to set it up. I'm gonna walk that through with you, and we're gonna explain the rules, how you're protected. If I hit a certain point, everybody is like cut off. There won't be no more copy trading just because it's to protect everybody's capital. And I'm not here to play with your money. No, I'm not gonna flip your account for you. I'm here to help you grow your money and help you make money as you see me make money and see the journey of me taking this account, withdrawing the money from the account, and you know, going and buying a funded account, a funded challenge, passing that funded challenge, withdrawing that money, getting my getting the cost that I put into to buy the funded challenge back, and then go and buying another one, and just continuing the process over and over again. So that's the goal. That's the plan. And if you're trying to join the family, jump in the Discord. If you want to join the journey, jump in the Discord. If you want to make some profits, jump in the Discord. If you want to catch all the live sessions, like I said, I just posted the events. We have a weekend doubleheader where we'll break down charts with high frequency, any trades, any journals that you have that you want to break down. We'll go over them, answer questions. We'll do the high freak. We'll do a high free, or we'll do, my goodness, We'll do a traditional Forex outlook because I'm going to do a bunch of forward testing all the way coming up to the traditional funded challenge. Like until I get the withdrawal from PO, I'm going to do forward testing. So then you can come like see how we're going to back test, how to forward test, how to prepare yourself to actually know that you're funded. Like you can really be funded. And then we got the Mental Mondays. That's every Monday. Right now we're reading a book. It's called The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. Phenomenal book. Right here you see the live trading. Starts Tuesday, January 30th at 5 p.m. And then we trade Thursdays at 5 p.m. Or yeah, on Thursdays at 5 p.m. as well.